Closed captioning is brought to you by Dirt Tricks, your source for innovation. Previously on our Yamaha YZ250, we installed a Boyesen rad valve, Excel wheels, Kenda tires, Clark oversized tank, RKX ring chain, and the Recluse Z-Start auto clutch. Today, Adam is going to make this bike totally street legal. He'll install a dual sport conversion kit, Trail Tech onboard computer system, Moose Racing lighting coil, and a Utah Sports Cycle kickstand. All right, check it out.
Now we're going to get this baby stripped down, get ready to put on our kit. Okay, now I got the bike all torn down, ready to put our Baja Designs dual sport kit on. Now, the first thing I like to do when I get any kind of kit is I lay it all out, I check it against the product list to make sure I have all the parts, and I make sure it's the right kit for my bike before I do anything that precludes me from returning it. Now check with our friends at Baja Designs, and they'll be happy to cross-reference their product to make sure it's proper for your application. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start with our wiring harness. Now I already have my main harness laid out exactly like they told me to, ready. I've disconnected the kill switch wires from the stock harness and already plugged in the harness that they give me from Baja Designs, which is exactly the same color coding as our factory wiring harness. Very important and very helpful. Also, their pin connectors are the exact same kind as OEM manufacturers' pin connectors for most of their kits. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put on our Baja Designs LED taillight, stoplight, and turn signal assembly. Now, I've already pre-drilled my holes. Now, Baja Design has easy to see suggested mounting hole spots. Now, I drilled them out first, put this under, settled it where it likes to be, clamped it into place, and used the pre-drilled holes as a template to get my holes in the fender. Now, always check twice and drill once, because you only get one shot at this. Now this is a nice durable setup and also is going to be used as a tag mount. Now you can use another tag mount, but Baja Designs tag mount in this configuration is by far a superior product. Now everything lines up good. They give you all the hardware washers that you need to install this. Should be a zip. We've got our wiring harness loosely in place, zip tied in. The instructions are pretty clear as to where to put it, so it's not easy to make a mistake. We're going to go ahead and install our handlebar switch. We want to loosen our clutch perch, move it out of the way, give ourselves adequate room to maneuver, pop the switch on. I like to set it in place and hold it together by hand just to see where I'm going to want to put it. I only like to put the screws a couple turns in. Slide the clutch perch over, check for clearance. Looks good. I like it just about there. And go ahead and tighten them up. We're going to zip tie our wires conforming to the bar. It's very important that we have nothing loose or dangling that can catch anything when we're off-roading with this puppy. This is my wiring harness tail going to the stock harness position for the kill switch wire that plugs right into the handlebar. They supply this harness that goes right into the stock harness, makes it real easy. Color coding is the same as OEM. Before we finish up the installation of our dual sport kit, we're going to go and take a tour of Baja Designs factory to see what they're all about. And when we come back, we're going to finish up our install of this fantastic dual sport kit.